the beat.
I wake up in the morning, thank God. First shot is to get it. Roll over and kiss my girl. I'm still with it cause she with it. After shower, Jordan's tower over the floor. Girl, my force is cement.
Hey, what's up, man?
Shit, what's cracking?
Nothing. I just got a little question for you. Do you stock any boxes? Like, do you have a box for a single 15 at your shop at all?
You up in just a bit and verify if we have anything at the shop already. Well, fuck, you know what I do? I know I have a box for a 15. It's a 4.75. It's slightly used, but I'll just take it and I can have the guys clean it up real quick, and then we can get over to you if you want.
That slightly used is good. That's perfect. Cool.
Okay,
All right.
cool.
Well, just do what you're doing. I'll come by and pick it up or something. If I end up actually going that route today.
All right,
I'm not sure if I am or not. These are just ideas. I got stuff going on over here, but yeah, more than likely I will though. If you can produce one, then I might just come pick it up. I'll bring it back when I'm done.
Okay.
Sick. Cool. All right. Thanks. Get back. Just like that. Score a box from Bobby Gately. Gately Audio, Sacramento, California. You know what? Not very many people pick up my phone call every single time I call them. That dude's one of them. I mean, legit. Like 3 people in this world. Big ass 4-gauge terminals. So this thing is a dual 2. course, I keep the Sound Digital 12K on the bench because I need a lot of power. And I need it fast sometimes. It's upside down because I need the wires to be on this side, but you see what's that in here. Sound Digital. Let's see how this 3515 handles it. Time to get some flex on. Those of you that don't really know what I'm doing over here, this is a dual 2-ohm voice coil subwoofer. 2 ohms, 2 ohms. I just wired these up in parallel, positive to positive, negative to negative. Now it's a 1 ohm speaker. I'm showing 1 ohm to the amplifier. If I was to run that in series, it would be a 4 ohm subwoofer. Right now, 1 ohm. This subwoofer is no joke, for real. You know what, I gotta see how much power that is, because this thing is taking it like a champ. Let's get the MM1 and see what's doing. Sitting out in the open air, so I don't want to break it. But 4,500 watts, sitting out in the open air. It's gonna break. I don't want to break it. I'm really feeling like I want to go pick up that box from Gately's and put this in it. I gotta hear what this thing sounds like in an actual enclosure. So I'll be right back. Back in a little bit. Definitely ain't my first time doing a video like this, but I was so impressed by this sub, I really want to hear it in a box. I usually like to leave them outside of the box for these kind of videos so you can see the suspension, you can see the spider, you can see how the tinsels are acting in slow-mo. As you can see, this thing handled it like a champ. But normally I leave it at that. But this time, I want to put it in a box. I gotta hear what this thing sounds like. So let's head over to Gately Audio, pick up a little box, bring it back, slap the hell out of it. Let's go.
I like the hard way that pulling a few that pop up each day is a lot easier.
From Charlotte and News Talk 1110 and 99.3 at WBT, here's your guide, Brett Winterbull on the EIB Network.
Thank you, Johnny Donovan. Wonderful to be here with you. 800 is focusing on one very specific thing, the Declaration of Victory. That's right. Kamala Harris, Vice
Got a little
President
box real
of
quick.
these
Good
United
to go.
States of America.
Look at that, man. One phone call and I got a 15-inch box ready to go. She's an old prototype. Kind of had it laying around.
Yeah.
So we're bringing it back. But they do sell them. So GatelyAudio.com, Sky High Car Audio. All right, man. Hit up that side door. I got junk back here, man. Hell yeah. Sick, dude. Hell yeah. Thanks. Look at that service. Hey, Gately Audio himself, the president, the CEO, bringing me a box out on the dolly. Can't fuck with that. Look at that, man. With the flip-flops on. The Dixon shirt. Dude, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Put that shit in here.
I thought about that. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, man. That'll help me get my video finished. I can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like in here, man. In the box, anyways. All right, I got the box. Good to go. It's actually really not even that heavy. It's not bad, really. See how it fits. That's perfect. One thing about these 1-inch birch boxes, they really grab the screws. There's nothing stripping in those. You'll break the screw first every time. That's good. We're in. First of all, you can see the frequency that's being played right now. 33 hertz, 2 ohms, in the box playing. Should start dropping here pretty soon. You'll get an idea of what that frequency actually is. There it is. 29. All right, let's turn this shit up. Warm.
Yeah.
Still playing though. You guys can't tell out there in YouTube land what this sounds like, but it actually slaps really hard. Sounds good in that Gately audio box. Appreciate the prototype. Thanks Gately Audio. That was fun. And I'm out of here. Later.